What are you doing in there?
Whoa.
Huh? What you got in there?
Catfish.
Let me see.
Catfish.
Pull him out.
Ow. Ah.
Pull him out.
Can I hold him?
Whoa.
Ow.
That's a big
You
one.
can't hold him. Ow.
Let's see him.
I can't hold him up.
Oh, he's just too big.
I can hold him. Okay.
Oh, teamwork. What kind of fish is it?
Whoa, slimy boy. I'll get him. Help, help, help. Oh my god.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my god.
He's got stuff all over him. Good work.
No. I got him. I got him.
Make him smile.
I want to have him. I want to hold him.
You're having trouble holding him. He's helping you.
No.
Oh.
See? Oh my
It looks like you're having a little trouble. You can't pick him up. There you go. There you go. We got him. Good job. What else we got up here?
Oh. No, leave him right in there. I will. Leave him in there. Look.